araw and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, I am back with another work from home or online jobs na available here in Cyberbacker. But before that, guys, I do apologize kung ngayon lang uli ako nakapag-upload and nakapag-gawa ng video. Sobrang naging busy ako. I think for June, wala tayong latest upload, Medyo nagkasakit ako, nagkasakit kami sa family, pero well-recovered naman na kami ngayon. And of course, busy rin with work. So, if you are following me on my TikTok channel, guys, lagi po akong gumagawa ng videos ko doon about work from home, answering questions na related sa company namin, Cyberbacker, applications, requirements, anything na pwede ko kayong tulungan sa inyong applications. Pwede nyo po ako i-follow sa aking TikTok channel. Ayan, sakita nyo naman. Ang dami na natin doon. And of course, here on my YouTube channel, gusto ko lamang pong i-welcome lahat ng aking new subscribers, na galing rin po sa aking TikTok profile, na nandito na rin sa aking YouTube. At talaga nga naman, lagi kayong nanonood at nagbi-binge watch ng mga YouTube videos ko. Thank you so much. So again, I think here on our YouTube channel, we are 17,000 and growing stronger every day. So yay! Thank you so much, guys, for subscribing and always watching my videos. Ayan. So ano na nga ba yung update natin, for today, I can give you yung updated naming voice at saka non-voice job na urgent. Okay, so marami ito, guys, ha. I will give you a list. So, ilalagay natin dito later yung list. And then, ang gagawin natin, para naman dun sa mga job descriptions on requirements ng mga specific jobs na to, ilalagay ko po siya doon sa description box below sa baba. And, kung meron man ako mabanggit na bagong job, tapos wala pa akong video about it, please stay tuned because, guys, I promise you, I will create more YouTube videos starting this month. And goal ko talaga yun na makapag-provide ng mga more in-depth and new videos para sa inyo ngayong July. Okay? But before we start again, guys, let me invite all of you to join Cyberbacker Career Night. Again, what is Cyberbacker Career Night? Cyberbacker Career Night is an online Zoom event especially made for those people who are interested to work from home or find an online job here in Cyberbacker. Ayan, so all you have to do, guys, is to register. Nandun din po sa baba ang aming registration form. Scroll lang po kayo sa description box below. Cyberbacker Career Night is happening Tuesdays and Thursdays, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Manila time. Yan, dyan nyo po mamimit si Maria, ang aming Career Night presenter, and also our Cyberbackers TikTok backer. Ayan. So, Maria is also very popular here in Cyberbacker, and she works under my division, which is the Social Media Marketing Division. Yan. So, guys, excited na ba kayo? So, ito na, pa-flash ko na sa screen na ating mga latest work from home and online jobs na available here in Cyberbacker. Tcharam! Ayan. So, again, di ako magaling mag-effects. Kaya, sariling sikap na lang tayo. Alright. So, again, for this week, okay, remember that I am posting it for this week. It's July 5. Okay? So, ano nga ba itong mga available voice and non-voice job here in Cyberbacker? So again, for voice job, this is the Cyberbacker role itself, which is the admin task. Again, for the complete job description ng lahat ng jobs na sasabihin ko ngayon, scroll down po kayo doon sa ating description box sa baba. Bound sales agent, cyber recruiter. It's also popular for those who have experience with call center and BPO. QA backer, yung mga taga-check ng quality assurance. So this is a mix of voice and non-voice. Transaction backer, which is also very popular here na job dito sa amin sa Cyberbacker. It's also mixed with voice and non-voice. Growth backer, guys, I've made a video about this already. Growth backer is one of the highest paid jobs here in Cyberbacker. I wish I had the skills to become one. And also, listing backer is also very popular. Agent backer, concierge backer, so these are all voice, ha? Command backer, lead backer, and productivity backer. Ayan. So, again, para sa mga jobs na nabanggit ko sa baba, scroll down na lang po sa complete description ng mga jobs na ito. And of course, let's go naman sa mga non-voice jobs. So, ito yung mga lagi nyong hinahanap. Lahat ng followers ka, laging ito yung tanong, meron ba kayong non-voice ngayon? Ano yung available? Ayan. So, ano yung available ngayon na urgent? So, non-voice web developer, guys, we are really looking for web developers here in Cyberbacker, no? And kung naka-follow kayo sa Cyberbacker social media accounts, we published it na ang starting salary po ng web developer is $2,000 per month. Sana marunong ako mag-code. Okay? Yan. So, kung you have the skills, work from home to ha, non-voice, apply na kayo as web developer. Yayaman kayo agad dito, guys. Next is video backer. Yes, this one, video backer, meron po kaming client-facing site and admin site. Sa admin site po, you will be working directly with me. This will be under my division. So, if you wanna, work with me, please apply as a video backer. So, next is social media backer. Social media backer, again, this will work directly with me. Ayan, kung gusto niyo po ako makatrabaho, apply na po kayo. Social media backer for clients and also for admin, okay? And then, graphic backer for clients. So, again, guys, clarify ko lang. Video backer is videographers, video editors. Graphic backer is equals to graphic artists. Yan. Okay? SEO backer is, of course, those people who has an excellent experience with SEO. And then, money backer, QA money backer is part of our finance team. And, of course, our new job, cyber backer, secret shopper. Ayan. So, ito, sobrang bago lang nito. Nilaunch lang namin siya last week. So, if you're interested for this job, I will make another video. So, abangan nyo to ha. Cyberbacker, secret shopper. I will create an in-depth video about this. So, there you have it, guys. So, let's go naman sa ating the usual requirements here in Cyberbacker. Of course, kapag po kayo mag-a-apply, it's a must na meron po kayong either noise-canceling headset or earphones. Kung wala kayong noise-canceling headset pero gusto nyo na mag-proceed sa initial interview nyo, you can use a regular earphones like this one. So, this is my old earphones. Meron lang siyang mic. It's an iPhone earphones. You can use this for your initial interview. Pero kapag, of course, mag-final interview na kayo, you have to have at least a noise-canceling headset like this one. So, I use Logitech. Ay, mag-focus. Ayan. So, I use Logitech earphones H340. This is $999 in Lazada. Ayan. So, very, very affordable ang mga Logitech na brand and also very matibay. Disclaimer, this video is not sponsored by Logitech. Pero sobrang love ko talaga yung brand nila. Ayan. Okay? Another is your web camera. So, ako, ang gamit kong web camera is just the internal web camera here on my Mac. You can also use your internal web camera as long as hindi siya blurry, malinaw kayong tignan, at sobrang ganda ng lightings nyo. Okay? Of course, kung gusto nyo talaga mag-invest, you can look at HD cameras na external. Wala akong masuggest sa brand sa inyo, pero go check out Lazada and Shopee. Marami namang options doon. Another is your internet speed na it should be 5 Mbps and above. Another is, of course, computer. So, you can use either a PC, a desktop, or a laptop. For the specific specs, you can again scroll down on the description box. Nandun po, ilalagay ko ang details. So, there you go, guys. That's it for today. Please look forward to the other videos that I will be making for this month. And moving forward, hanggang matapos ang taon, I will be creating more YouTube videos for you. So, since you're watching already here, you might as well subscribe. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow me on TikTok. Again, guys, if you want to apply here in Cyberbacker and start your work from home journey, all you have to do is to go to my referral link below. You can see there on the description box. Just follow the instruction and I will also put step-by-step application guide doon sa ating description box sa baba. Alright, thank you guys so much. And again, I am very, very grateful and thankful for all of my followers on my YouTube channel and also my TikTok channel. Thank you guys. Bye!